Today, we will give you a walkthrough on how to perform experience testing on MOZARK's App Experience solution. MOZARK offers an operations portal to perform experience testing. Experience testing starts by adding scripts and KPIs, creating orders to executing scripts, and finally viewing the results on the dashboard. Now, let us see how to conduct experiences testing using MOZARK. First, log in to the operations portal. After logging in, you are required to add a script if it is not available in the portal. Let us take a look at a sample script. This script is for a video OTT player. A script helps in automating the user journey for which you would want to measure user experience and calculate KPIs. While adding the script, if the required KPIs are not present, an admin can add the KPIs as per the requirements by going to the Add KPIs section. Creation of orders, instructions about the peers to be taken into consideration, and weights to be assigned to the KPIs can be added here. Scheduling test is the most critical part as it will initiate the execution of the scripts and collection of data in different network conditions and locations. The script initiates experience testing on MOZARK's devices as per your defined schedule. It launches Aquamark for the apps mentioned in the script and records the KPIs as shown in the video. This short clip shows experience testing being done for video conferencing apps. Once testing is over, you can navigate through the App Experience dashboard to monitor, benchmark, and evaluate the end-user experience of your apps. This is how one can perform experience testing on MOZARK. Thank you and goodbye.